Every year during the month of May, children across Jamaica get the opportunity to dress up as ambitious, hard-working grown-ups on Career Day. And here at the Collins Close Basic School in Grand Spence, Kingston, kindergartners were outfitted in the profession they aspired to be. Some dressed up as police officers, soldiers, firefighters, pilots, nurses, and doctors. Lasco's Nurse of the Year 2017-2018, Natalie Hilton Levy, says she was honored to see them aspiring and modeling the different professions.
You never, ever, ever go with a stranger. It is from this young age that they are very influential, and if we give them the correct information and treat them with love and respect, then we have a better future. Because they are very active, they're very inquisitive, they're very loving, and if we allow them to grow as they are, then we will have a society that is with less violence, if violence at all, and a society that is willing to work hard to be productive.
This aspiring soldier, after seeing the work of a carpenter, decided he wanted to merge the professions. Carpenter Hilbert Lewin said he was glad to not only share his knowledge, but inspire them from a young age.
This is my honor. It's important to show the little one how comes to be a carpenter and what carpenter do and the way they go through and work.
Police officers and aspirants shared moments too.
Most persons take on the career choice of being a police and then ended up liking the job. So if it's a situation where they're out there, we do encourage them because it's a good career field and it teaches you a lot about Jamaica and a whole and a lot about discipline. So for the youngsters, if they want to, I would encourage them to go ahead.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.